What's really going on the stock market? What's happening in the international stock exchange market? I'm not confused. I'm not panicked because I was fully aware that market will be sell and the gold and crude oil and silver, especially gold and silver, will definitely sell, and gold will sell very badly. And also I told all of my viewers of YouTube channel that I already predicted in my last video, in my yesterday video, that gold will definitely show its volatility, and it will be sell sooner or later, or in this week or so. It happens yesterday, as you see that gold volatility happened, and gold, and especially gold and silver, sell very badly and very madly, which I already predicted in my last yesterday video. So hello everyone, I'm Rabia Amjad. I'm gonna tell you what would be the next trend of the gold, especially commodities of the gold, crude oil and silver and Australian dollar. So let's start with the crude oil. I told in my last video that because of the 2 days before crude oil open with the gap opening, with the gap opening, and it will definitely sell. But I'm also expecting selling trend in the crude oil, but unexpectedly it doesn't sell. Rather it goes so much upside, and like buying rate was 42.99, whereas selling rate was 42.93. It was on just 2 days before 23, round about 23 or 28. So it's a 1 day jump in crude oil, but its jump shows that it will definitely come downside. And because whenever any product or any stocks show the gap opening, it will definitely go against the trend and go so much against the way where it open its gap, and then after moving so much that side, it will definitely come downside and come upside to fill its gap will definitely fill, but it will show the volatility. Now talking about the gold, as I already predicted in my last video, and I'm not that much panic, because I already know that gold will definitely sell, because it goes so much high. Its rate was going so much upside and like non-stop going upside, so it will definitely come downside and definitely fill 75% retracement, which it happens in last week, and also it's happening today. So I am expecting that after I told that it will definitely come downside in 1900 level, and it happened that you see that last night its low was like 1915-20. Same like I predicted, like 1920 or around about 1915-23. So 1923. So then, and I told that before going downside, it will definitely come a little bit upside, and the level would be like 2000, and it happened. 2007 was its last day high, whereas its low was 1923 roundabout. So today after opening and moving round about 1935, I am expecting that it will again go 1950 level upside. First resistance would be like 1915, and then it will definitely come 1900 again. And if it break 1900, 1900 is its like first downside resistance. So all in all, I am also seeing again selling today in especially gold, and also in silver, in commodities, and crude oil will definitely also come, and it also came downside, same like gold came downside today with volatility. Crude oil will definitely come also downside gold. So I'm seeing and looking forward another 2 days selling in commodities, and the Friday would be the deciding day for the commodities, that next week it will go upside, or it will still follow the same trend of selling. So now talking about the silver also, I suggested, or I predicted last video on that it will definitely come downside also, and it will also sell, and it happened that. And you see the level, like it was like 28.01, which I already told in my last video that it will go upside till 28 level, and then it will sell, and it happened, and it will sell around about 26.50, whereas I'm seeing still selling like 25.63 would be the first downside resistance level for the silver. So silver will come downside after going little bit high, and then it will definitely come 25.63 today or tomorrow. Then tomorrow will be the obviously the deciding day for the Monday. Now talking about Australian dollar, my favorite currency, that Australian dollar is also stable currency, but on sometime the volatility of the stock exchange market affect the also currencies, which it happened today, that Australian dollar also fell so much like 200 bips downside, and its high was like 0.7274. But I predicted also that it will go upside till 0.7275, which it happened, and it go upside yesterday exact 0.7275 level, and then it started selling trend, and the selling level, its low was like 0.7179, and today after opening exactly these 0.7179, I am expecting that Australian dollar will again in selling trend, and 0.7159 would be the next first downside resistance, where it can be go upside, and it can be again follow its own trend of buying its own upside trend, and the level of the next upside level would be like around about more than 0.72, but it can also go downside till 0.7134, which would be the second downside resistance of the Australian dollar, and then it's good rate to buy, and then it will go upside till 0.7250, which was the first upside resistance level. So all this is all about the stock exchange market, today's trend level, today's prediction about stock exchange market, especially commodities. So please keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep liking my channel, and also click bell icon for further assistance, and for I always say that or for your assistance and for my motivation. So please subscribe, and please watch my channel. Thank you.